Okay, so what are we thinking? We have 12, okay? What two numbers multiply together to get 12 with one of those having an even square root? Nice. Good. It's got to be 4 and 3, right? 6 and 2, neither of those has an even square root, so we would be stuck. So you don't want 6 and 2, 4 and 3, because now, boom, we can simplify that more to that, and then we just bring that straight down. And we're done. Okay, so the first step was to break it into two numbers, one that has an even root, and then after that, you just simplify. If you think about it, like if you did part one right, then one of these things, one of these numbers, you should be able to simplify every time. And that's why we want one that has an even root, so that we could simplify it on the next step. Good, Mia. Okay. Actually, let me go back to that. Oh, can't now. All right, let's get, how about, let's see here. Here's a good one. What about 18? Okay, so think about it. Can we break up 18 into two square roots where one of them we'll actually be able to do? Something times something equals 18. One of those somethings has to have an even root. Beautiful. I know what you meant, Alex. Yep. This one's got to be 9 and 2. Why? Because 9, we don't care about the 2. We're just going to copy and paste it every time. Who cares? We just want one of them has to have the even square root. So since that one does, that square root of 9, we can now simplify again to a 3. And then the square root of 2, we can't simplify that anymore. So we're done. Okay, just whatever you guys do, okay, just remember that this and this are different. Okay, these are not the same. Okay, this one here, that means 3 times the square root of 2. Okay, this one means what number times itself again, 3 of them, equals 2. Okay, so just keep in mind the difference. We say this is how we say this, like in words. We say 3 square roots of 2, meaning like 3 groups of the square root of 2, if that makes sense, like the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2. There's 3 of them. Okay, this one we say, you guys probably remember this one already. This is the third root of 2. The quotes are just because, like, that's how you say it.